What's going on here? Why was a luxury car that once cost over $1 million left in a scrapyard? It turns out the owner of the scrapyard bought this Lexus LS460 for a very low price. The car was in terrible condition, and the interior was a complete mess. Even so, he loved the car and decided to fully restore it and keep driving it for years to come. Without wasting any time, we loaded it up and brought it back to the workshop to begin the restoration. All the remaining interior components of the vehicle have now been removed. Now, we are stripping the chassis components as well. Since the entire car is being stripped down, the engine has to come out as well. Now the entire car has been completely disassembled. Next, we'll clean every single part one by one. Now let's look at the before and after comparison and results after cleaning. Then we'll rewrap the wiring harness and clean everything thoroughly with dry ice blasting. Then the engine is also thoroughly cleaned. We also completely disassembled and cleaned the dashboard framework. How does it look after installation? Doesn't it look almost as good as it did when it left the factory? Finally, we'll remove the remaining door components from the car. After the paint has been stripped, remove the 4 doors, the hood, and the trunk lid. After washing, we'll give it a quick clean with dry ice. Let's take a look at the condition before and after spraying. Then remove the 4 door panels. Now we'll install the fully restored chassis components one by one. Since the original interior was in terrible condition, the owner chose a complete Japanese spec interior from a donor car. Now we'll install the interior and finish assembling the exterior as well. With that, the restoration of this Lexus LS460 is nearly complete. Some people say it's just an old car, and wonder why anyone would spend so much time and money restoring it. The owner simply replied that restoring a classic car is about fulfilling a promise he made to himself years ago, and finally achieving a long overdue dream. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.